As of 3:30 p.m. UTC on July 15th, Hurricane Calvin was located near 14.6 degrees north, 129.0 degrees west, or approximately 980 miles, 1,578 kilometers west-southwest of Coney Island, Mexico. Calvin has a maximum sustained winds of 87 knots and a minimum central pressure of 976 millibars. Calvin currently lies over sea surface temperatures of around 25 degrees Celsius, 77 degrees Fahrenheit. Here's the National Weather Hurricane Center's key messages for Calvin. 1. Calvin is forecast to move across the Central Pacific Ocean and approach the Hawaiian Islands early next week. And it is too early to determine the exact location and magnitude of potential impacts, given the uncertainties in the track, intensity, and structure of Calvin. As it approaches the islands, interests in Hawaii should closer monitor the latest forecast updates.